right, so this is the table summarizes results from 990 pedestrian deaths that were caused by automobile accidents. So we have them broken down by whether or not the driver was intoxicated and the pedestrian was intoxicated. If two different pedestrian deaths were randomly selected, find the probability that both involved pedestrians that were intoxicated. So this is the same thing as saying the probability that P1, the first pedestrian, was intoxicated, and P2 was intoxicated. Well, since they're independent of one another, this is just going to be the probability that the first was intoxicated. I'll just do P1I times the probability the second one was intoxicated, P2I. Well, what is the probability the first one was intoxicated? There's 990 total deaths. Of that 990, the pedestrian was intoxicated, yes, for these accidents. Add them together, you get 257 times. Now, when finding the probability that a second pedestrian was intoxicated in their accident, you're going to assume we got an intoxicated pedestrian in the first pick. So of the accidents, there's 989 left and only 256 possible accidents involving an intoxicated pedestrian since we pulled one on the first selection. So this is just going to be 257 divided by 990 times 256 divided by 989. So we get 0.067 rounded to a percentage in one decimal place would be 6.7%.